make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go.
Hi, I'm Riley and I'm going to show you how to crimp your hair. Okay, so I already did that piece. So you would take a little piece of your hair, start, and you start from the top, and you take this, and you hold it for 20 seconds. And then you just go down, and it makes that wave formation. It's pretty thick.
Hold each piece for about 15 seconds
to 20 seconds.
The longer you hold it, the
Crimpier it gets.
That's a word.
It is a word, I just needed it.
And try not to crimp every piece so it'll look too tacky, so kind of skip around.
on each hair, on each side.
Okay, we're gonna fast forward this part.
Oh, sorry guys.
I'll need it comes up probably fast less.
What beautiful, yeah, what you said. Why can't bring me down?
Why? It's funny. Nope, and then you want another one. Just come be fire guys.
Not as really close guys.
Why?
Use every single piece. Because everybody can. The straightening's the worst.
Get my nose pickles.
Yeah, it's so bad.
It's good, guys.
You just do it there.
Don't come in. Turn this
I'll
around.
tell you when you can.
Then after doing the other piece. I think I'm just last one, but I'm ready. Feeling good? Yeah.
Okay.
Facing the side.
And that's how you crimp your hair.
Thanks for watching.